Hello there everyone, and welcome to the October 2019 stencil and washi tape full reveal. So first up we have a Classic Pine stencils A and B. The first one has the little tree images on there, and the second one has the little fir cones. Now these work together perfectly. One goes inside the other to create this beautiful effect that you can see here. It's very easy to create a whole background with many different two-toned colours on there. Next up we have Leaves and Berries stencil. This is a 6x6 stencil, and you can see that we have lots of images of twigs, little berries and little leaves on there as well. If you can turn that over, you can see how that's going to look on the front of a card. This is a great one to change the colours up for the berries, or you could just do them the same colour as the leaves as well. Next up we have Liquid Marble stencil. Again, this is a 6x6 stencil, and it's a very pretty and modern one. I think this is a really great modern look that you're going to get with this. A little bit of marble on your project is always a great way to go. So this is a great one to add to your backgrounds, and I've just realized that I've done this the same as it looks in the packaging. Next up we have Rose Bouquet stencil. And as you can see here, we have a large rose bouquet image with roses and leaves on there as well. So this is again a 6x6, and it's easy to add different colours to those little flowers. You can easily mask them if you wanted to, or just take a really small blending tool to do that. Next up we have Diamond Snowflakes stencil. Again, this is a 6x6 stencil, and it has a really delicate snowflake pattern on there. This is great for all of your festive projects, but I feel that if you change the colour up a little bit, you might be able to use this for projects all through the year, kind of like a little bit of a firework going on. Next up we have Honeycomb Stencil. This is a 6x6 stencil again, and this has a really delicate honeycomb little pattern on here. So this is a geometric design, so will work for masculine and feminine cards as well. It's completely up to you how you use it. Next up we have Linear stencil. Now this is a little different from the others that I've just shown you, as you can see that it is a full pattern, so it hasn't got a square edge on this one. It's a nice beautiful linear mandala that you can use on all of your handmade projects, and it's going to create some beautiful stunning designs just by changing up the colours that you do use with it. So that's all the stencils. I'm now going to move on to the washi tapes. So this is Calming Bouquet washi tape, and this is one of our larger ones, and this will cover the whole of an A2 card base. So you can definitely use it for your cards or your scrapbooking projects or anything that you wish. It has beautiful images on there with a subtle background as well. Next up we have Golden Dots washi tape. Now this is stunning. So we have little dots on there which are black, and the rest of it is beautiful gilded gold on there. It is stunning, and as you can see, it's really easy to remove if you wanted to use this on furniture as well. Next up we have Gradient Lines washi tape. Now this is a really beautiful one. It's great for adding a quick geometric background to your projects. You can use this on anything that you would like, and it's a really dark blue, almost black colour to the stripe here. Next up we have Gilded Greenery washi tape, and this again is a stunner. So we have beautiful leaves on a black background, and we do have some gold elements in there that do catch the light. This is so much prettier in real life. Next up we have Deco Lines washi tape. Again, this is one of our black on gold or gold on black, and it's great to add to your projects. Next up we have some die cut tape. So this is a little different from the washi tape. It's thicker and it comes on a carrier sheet. So as you can see, when you do remove this from the carrier sheet, you have the sticky side to your beautiful die cut tape. You have the pretty image which is on there, and also it's already cut around for you to use on your project. So really great one to use. Next up we have Graph Die Cut Tape. So again, this is as before, it has a carrier sheet on it, so when you do unroll it from the sheet, it's not necessarily sticky straight away. You do need to remove it from the carrier sheet, and then you can add this onto your projects. The great thing about this is you do have that carrier sheet to use as a stencil as well. Next up is Bouquet Die Cut Tape. Now this doesn't look anything on the roll, but when we do peel this off from the carrier sheet, you're going to get to see the beautifulness which is this tape. So this one is a little bit more delicate than the others. It has a really pretty delicate bouquet image all the way along this, and it does have little strips on the side just to keep it all together nicely, so you can add this in nice beautiful straight strips. So you may need to do a little bit of weeding with this one, but I do feel that it's worth the effort and it is very, very pretty. So there we have it. There is the whole of our October 2019 stencil and washi tape release. We really do hope that you've seen something that makes you want to create something beautiful and inspires you. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and we'll see you again really, really soon. Bye-bye.